Nissan Serena S-Hybrid C26, 2TOS and 16 2TOS and 21. How to open the radiator fan motor and housing of this car very easily, and how to install a new fan motor. So watch the full video. Inshallah you can change it. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel to get the next new video. Click on the bell button, share the video, let your friends watch the video, give the video a like to encourage them to make new videos. On behalf of this channel, I wish you all the best and congratulations. See how to remove the radiator fan motor and housing together. To open the radiator fan motor, Nissan Serena S-Hybrid has two batteries side by side. There is a backup small battery on the front side, so remove the battery and remove the battery back. After opening the vehicle's backup battery and battery bracket, remove the radiator fan motor and housing together. Replace the fan motor. To replace the radiator fan motor, first open the fan and remove the fan motor from the housing by removing the 3 screws. It is connected to the radiator fan control module fan housing. If there is a problem with the control module, the fan does not run. This car does not have a problem with the control module. Remove the old broken fan motor to replace it and install this one new fan motor. After installing the radiator fan, connect the Nissan Serena S-Hybrid car backup, battery negative and positive terminals and connect the coolant hose pipe above the radiator.